This year I'm buying gifts for me. That's right, I'm buying gifts for me. I got myself, that's guaranteed.